In this video, we'll be installing the handguards from Memphis Shades, and we're gonna get a good look at them after they're installed, see how they look, and I'll let you know kind of my first impressions and like quality and feel of the product and all of that. So let's get this box opened up and see what we've got. First, we've got some instructions. Send a couple of Memphis Shades stickers. Got your mounting brackets here, and then your two handguards. I went with the black. They're also available in clear. So what I kind of decided is these two plastic little washers. I think they're just to protect the grommets during shipping. So I'm going to show you on the left side, or on the clutch side here, exactly what I did to get these together. So these plastic washers, just throw those away or whatever, let them fall on the floor. So then you're going to take your handguard and take your rubber grommet and just kind of start working that into the holes, being careful not to rip them, which I don't really think you'll have to worry about because they're pretty durable. Alright, so once those are in, then you want to take your, I don't know what you call these, plugs or whatever, and stick them through. Now these are kind of shaped, if you can see, so if you put them in so they're kind of the long oblong direction there, it'll be easier to get everything lined up when you're putting the bracket on, and it'll just fit right on those plugs that we put in. So when you're finished, basically the flat edge is going to be towards the outside of the handguard. The slanted edge points that way, okay? And then just use your 1/2 inch wrench, snug them down. I'm not exactly sure how tight they need to be. I would not over tighten these. Basically, I mean, they are very thick and seem quite durable. They're made out of a lucite acrylic material. So I think they are quite strong and quite durable, but I just don't want to risk cracking them at all. So I'm just kind of snugging them down. And then, as always, after I've ridden for a few miles, I will check bolt. That's the assembly process for the handguards. So your next step is going to be to remove the mirror. This mounting bracket goes right onto the mirror stem, so pretty easy installation. Take the mirror, put it through the bracket, put your star washer through, then of course you're going to want to sit on your motorcycle, make sure your mirror's adjusted correctly. So the next time you want to ride, it's all safe and set up for you, so you don't have to monkey with it once you're on the road. But that's it. You repeat the same thing for the other side, and you're good to go. But I think I'm going to be real happy with these handguards from Memphis Shades. I think they look cool. They're going to protect your hands a little bit, especially in the colder riding season. I know, like right now, we're just coming into spring. I haven't even had the bike out of the garage yet this year. It's pretty cold still. It's just starting to get into those days where we're seeing like mid 40s, maybe low 50s. So as soon as the salt and stuff kind of gets cleaned up off the road, I'll be trying to get the bike out once in a while, but it's still going to be quite chilly. And I think having these handguards on are going to make a huge difference with that. Plus, I know it's not for everybody, but to me, I think these things just look cool. So that's me, but maybe it's not you. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think of the handguards from Memphis Shades? Is this something you're kind of interested in or whatever? I'll drop a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. If I can find an affiliate link on Amazon or something, I'll put that in there, or check out my Amazon influencer store. But I'll also put a link to Memphis Shades website so you can see all the other products that they have to offer. So that's going to do it for this one, you guys. I thank you very, very much for checking in with this little project. Easy install once you figure out which direction the bracket goes and how exactly it all has to go together. But hopefully I was able to help you out a little bit with that. So that being said, have a good one. Stay safe out there as always. We'll catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a share with your friends. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And we'll see you in the next video from Touring Midwest.